Welcome, welcome, welcome. Pleasant, pleasant Friday morning to you, one and all. Um, it has just brought to my attention that there is a live going on where T-Gal is concerned, where I've not seen the live because as you don't know them time of morning, yeah, I'm supposed to be asleep. But it so happens that I am just watching some recreational videos with some YouTube channel that I've followed, you know, to get my eyes weary so I can go back to bed. And it was brought to my attention that she had do a live and she depend on her name and whatsoever. And this is what I should say now. If you people can remember a few weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago, or 3, 4 weeks ago, I have identified a channel that somebody has sent to me using my name, Speak My Mind. But at the end of it, there is no entertainment. It's just Speak My Mind. There is no picture where the channel or the page is concerned. And I did post it on my Facebook page and stuff and talk about it on a video that I have done. I said, boy, these people, they're trying to get at me so much that they want to paint such a bad picture of me that this is the route they are trying to take. Well, as I said, after that, I've not seen it or heard of it for a while. If it is out there, after I say what I say and post on my post, I don't know, but it wasn't brought to my attention after that. But I said I just got some information a while ago, brought to my attention that T-Gal over there on her life and the same page is in the comment saying so much derogative things about 99 to paint a picture like it's me saying it. But this is what I'm saying to you people. This is how you test how real people is. And this is how we're going to know who is real planker. And this is how we're going to know who is the real supporters and not fans and followers. Supporters. Because if you are a real supporter, a real planker, as a matter of fact, a real One Nation, you would know when you see that comment, it's definitely not me. Because you don't know how me feel towards Dana. And as me tell you already, when you see she come out and she say it more than one time. You understand? Even last year, when them everybody they oh, you know, even now people still when I make my videos, people still come in my comment section. You know, shame. You know what time that I tell her to stop calling her name, she don't want you pick up for her. And did that deter me from stop? No. I continue. Because it's what Dana is doing. I am defending. You understand? So you don't know how me feel about Dana and what Dana is doing. So if Dana come out here tomorrow morning and even point finger upon me and say X, Y, Z, I won't stop. You understand? So real planker and One Nation people know how me feel about Dana. So you know for you see them they comment there. It's not me. It's just to paint a picture like I am here, there and everywhere making derogative comments about 99. But these people are so shallow-minded and fool. You understand? They are so shallow-minded and fool. And think any real supporters of the One Nation family would see those comments and believe that it is me. You don't need to try something else. You understand? Better not try tie one stone pound, no, and find one ocean and take it to the ocean. Tie the stone pound, no, write my name on it, speak my mind entertainment, now left off the entertainment. Tie the stone to, no, and find one ocean and take it to the ocean. But make sure, as I said, tie the stone to, no, the deepest part of the ocean and take it to it and carry it there. If you don't want to get rid of my name. Because in the process of doing so, basically, you're not going to get rid of yourself too. So people, that speak my mind that is going around and going on people's page, typing up all kind of things about 99 to paint a picture where me is concerned. Me not have to tell no son of me, or no son of me that. You understand? So, as me say, it just brought to my attention and I decided that, okay, because me just release a little video upon the Life is a Mission channel and me I say, boy, Chuck, me I go back to sleep and probably about 12 o'clock I wake up. You don't know, me drop my little daily videos. Me I go drop one video in the day, yeah. So, anytime I wake up back. So, me did I watch my little recreation video then, my Drizzy Burke and, you know, my colors and my area and I watch my little recreation videos. You know, and get the message. So, I just decide to say, alright, me I come out, come do that video, yeah. So, make a disclaimer and make you understand. Because someone might still now or might I wonder if I really speak my mind. Don't feel no look. It has no ENT on it and it has no picture. Which the picture them can screenshot my picture also and put it to it also because you have seen where them do it with many other people. Even the Prime Minister of Jamaica, enough people screenshot him picture have it on feed them page and channel. You understand? So when they come on your page, you give them quick, you will give them attention. Lord, Angie own this over here. Whoa. When I screenshot the man picture and create a DP for themselves. So people, don't be fooled. That page or channel that is going around in people comments saying derogative things about 99, it's not me. Bless upon yourself. Stay safe. By about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, I will drop my daily video. Alright? Bless up. One nation stands alone. You understand? It take an act of God to make me go against 99. You understand? It take an act of God for me go against 99. As me tell you, if she come out and do something we not like, that no mean me go against her. Because somebody cannot do 98 good and do 2 bad. I don't want to put them down for that. We are all human beings, we all make mistakes. Yes, sometimes we might make a mistake where would I look point and I say, boy, I know so that one I look bad. But at the same time, come on, the 98 good when me do. Me a human being. You understand? If all car can mash up and I give you, what about a human being? We make up out of flesh and blood. So people, as I say, don't be fooled. That name that is going around in people comment making all kind of derogative statement, comments and all kind of things and saying all kind of things about 99, it's not me. So I'm just making it clear for the people them who might be confused and the people them might can be easily fooled. As I say, real One Nation people not easily fooled. And this is why I tell you say me need supporters. Because supporters will know who you is. Supporters will know what you will do from what you won't do. Supporters will know what you're capable to do from what you won't do. But when you're a fan, you just come over because you like sitting because me a chat sitting about somebody where you don't like. You like sitting because me a chat about that man there where you did want to chat something about. So you just come over, so he's a fans. When he's a supporter, you're into the thing and know exactly what is going on. And know the ins and the out. Speak my mind, people. But 1 o'clock when I get a video. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. You know what to do, you know. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And if she not delete that video, because basically, you know, based on what me hear, she the over there are going bad. Because even one of my supporters where draw me attention, me still not go over the page, you know, me just grab my phone and say me I come do that video, yeah. Because the supporter actually, the emotion of the supporter where draw me attention. You can hear it in her voice, like if she catch Tina right now, she just apart. You understand me I say to you? So I don't know what she really over there say, but she say she a go on and a deal and a talk some bad things about Nana. But you know, when she do these type of videos, she delete them. So basically, me know when she done, probably she go delete it. So if she don't delete it, later when I have some time, because today I have a final to play. Well, I'm not a player, but I'm an integral part of the team. So you know, say me have the one football final I play later and stuff. So I'll get some rest and stuff, you know. So I will check it out after in the night when I come in. I normally do my little rounds on social media to see what I go on. And then if it is there, I will bring it to you. If not, hopefully there's a platform who is watching presently. I screenshot it. So when they screenshot it and probably bring it across from them platform, then me will do what me I do and pick what me I pick from it and know what is what. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.